We came down to the Keys to scuba dive, but that doesn't mean that's the only adventure we're having down here. Florida's home to massive amounts of mangroves, so today we rented a kayak to explore them. And it's a tandem. Okay, so we launched from here. We headed in towards Rattlesnake Key and then explored this little river inlet here. And then in a couple minutes we're gonna pop out of the exit, and then we're gonna keep going along the coast of Rattlesnake Key, check out another little inlet, and then head out to a shipwreck that's actually above water out here. The mangroves are actually what pretty much formed the Keys, the Florida Keys here. They started as just dead coral that slowly built up and up, and then the mangrove seeds came and planted themselves in the coral, eventually growing into trees, and then the trees would die and turn into soil, and then this over time would just build up the Keys. So the Keys are really built from mangroves, and all these mangrove trees that we're seeing out here could one day be an extension of the Keys as well. The mangroves are also home to a wide variety of wildlife. Notably, we've been seeing quite a few birds out here. They can be home to crocodiles and alligators. The lone jellyfish is still here, and just a number of fish make their home here. Alright, we're gonna head out to sea now towards this wreck that we see on the horizon, but it's pretty wavy out there and windy. We just tried it around the corner and it's pretty bad, so hang on tight.
Good job. The difference in waves between the sides of the boat is crazy. On this side we're sitting pretty level. There's so much missing. But on the other side we really get knocked around. I just don't want to knock into it. Good job.
Just because you went somewhere to have one adventure doesn't mean you can't stop and have others along the way.
And even on this one, we came out to see the mangroves, and the wreck was the coolest part.
That's right. So, like this video if you thought it was cool.
Share with your travel mates.
Subscribe if you haven't.
And get out there and have an adventure.